Right, here's tonight's new entree from Devour. This is sharp cheddar mac and cheese with bacon. Ziti, drenched in thick, gooey, sharp cheddar cheese sauce topped with hearty pieces of crispy bacon. Macaroni and cheese dinner kit, 4-ounce package. Alright, how do we make this, y'all? This is right here. Remove lid from the 3 pouches from the bowl. Microwave on high for 4 minutes. We're supposed to add the contents, then add water, and then do that. I read it wrong, but let's get into this, you guys, and make it happen. Alright, everybody, here it is, full with the water up to the fill line. Let's add these 3 sauce packets and get on with it. Alright, everybody, we got the sauce mixed up in there. It says microwave on high for 4 minutes. Is it covered or uncovered? Well, let's do it with the cover on. The steam will keep in there and it'll make it cook better and quicker. Alright, so here we go, everybody. Over to the handy dandy microwave. I have to apologize, my kitchen's a little out of disarray right now, but it's still usable. Of course, it wouldn't be complete without the Amana. This is a fabulous freaking microwave. There we go, man. 3 minutes on this. This is a high-powered microwave, so stay tuned. Alright, here it is, 4.5 minutes later. Let's get the cover off. It's quite desirable. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and add the sauces quick. Here we go. This is Devour chicken, bacon, and ziti. So let's give this one a try, you guys, because I've never had this. So here we go, bite number 1. Let's say that again, bite number 1. That's such a delicious combination, y'all. I really like it. I'm glad I made it. I've never bought it before. It's the first time I made it, and I absolutely love it. I hope this is one that they keep around for a while. Let's go ahead for another bite, y'all. Then we'll give it a rating. Here it comes over the gullet. Delicious food, good price point, easy to make, homemade, and that's how we roll. Here it is, the rum every day. I'm glad you could join us. We're very thankful, each and every one of you who come by and visit. And we definitely try to do the same for all y'all as well. Been subscribed to over 1,000 channels. It does present challenge.
What?
We'll get through it, everyone. Much love, take care, stay safe, and I hope maybe this video helped you. So stay safe in the future, everybody. Peace.